Welcome back to Transformer, my 1984 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. From this to this. Previously in the series, we removed this disgusting headliner that had snakes and mice in it, and today we're going to be stopping the rust from spreading. First up, we need to get our acetone and start wiping down the body. Once we start doing that, we remove any lights that might be in the way, grab our rust reformer, and start painting it up. We're moving across the entire body here, hitting all these nasty looking pores that kind of look like sores on your grandpa's arm. And once we get the entire car prepped with that, we move on to the front quarter panel, wipe it down, paint it up, and then we move on to the top of the hood here. Once we hit all these spots, we're going to move on to the other side of the car, wiping it down once again and painting these up. The reason we do this is we don't want this rust to spread underneath our brand new paint job when we get it done. So we got to convert these with this special rust reformer. After that, we move to the back of the vehicle, hitting the tailgate here because there is rust there as well. And after painting this whole thing up, it looks pretty great, really. I do have a couple of runs, but I'm really happy with it. And make sure you tap that plus to see the next part of the Jeep Grand Wagoneer build.